Okay, this is the next video today on the Gamo G2 RECON WHISPER. Gamo RECON G2 WHISPER. .177 caliber junior size air rifle. Wow, what a machine. I just got to shoot in a 5-shot group, and I'm going to go. I don't usually show too often me shooting groups, but I want you to see how this thing groups at 10 yards. For $58, 2 tins of pellets, a spinner shooter stand, and the rifle. Shipping and everything. Actually free shipping, I think. I don't know. But anyways, I want to show you this. Unbelievable. It's going to be right here. I'm going to shoot that little target right there. I'm going to shoot 10 shots. There you go. You got to see that. The Gamo RECON G2 WHISPER. That is amazing. You know? I got 2 shots down here. The rest are all on the top half of the target. Wow. 1-inch center to center, 10 shots. Pretty good for a $58 pellet rifle. That's a reconditioned one from Pyramid Air. Wow, what a great rifle. For someone that has a hard time cocking a rifle open, that's really great. So, there's a little 3-shot group there. There's a 5-shot group there, another 5-shot group there. You know, there's a 10-shot group right there. 3-shot group. 5-shot group. This thing's really putting them out there. Unbelievable. Good deal. Remember, this is a 2-part video.